Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find apps icon, choose settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose sound. It's under device tab. Here you have to find Do Not Disturb, and as you can see right now you can use Do Not Disturb. So let's choose priority only allows, and here you can, for example, handle with reminders, events, messages from some favorite contacts. You can allow some calls from some start contacts, for example, and handle with repeat callers. You can also set up some automatic rules, so here you can switch on your Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, every event. You can add some other rule. You can also block visual disturbance if you would like to. So that's it. Here you can use the schedule time to switch on Do Not Disturb, and you can also set up your customized rules for this mode. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.